Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If breakfast is the most important meal of the day, you want to make it count. So I want to show you this awesome granola from Bliss Organics. So this is the no sugar buzz granola, and this is a variety pack. So it comes with 3 different flavors. They're 12-ounce packages. This granola is great for so many reasons. First of all, health-wise, it is organic, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, but it also tastes incredible. So I absolutely love the flavors. There is a cashew raisin, which is the original flavor. There's the cocoa cashew butter, which is my personal favorite, and the cashew cranberry. So what I like about these is they are not sweetened with sugar. It is sweetened with a date paste. So it is mildly sweet, but not overwhelming, and it does not give you that sugar crash later. So I really love it, and it's simple, clean ingredients that are in this. You can read and pronounce every ingredient, and they're all organic, so it's just a really, really great choice. I have really been enjoying eating this granola by the handful out of the bag, but also I love to put it on top of yogurt or even having it with milk and just eating it like cereal. You really can't go wrong whatever you do with it because it's super tasty. This is food that really does fuel you. It makes you feel good and you feel good about eating it. If you're looking for a really tasty granola for breakfast or really for any time of day, I would definitely check out Bliss Organics. I'm really happy with this product because it tastes delicious. I know that it's doing good things for my body. This company is really focused on sustainability and even helping with world hunger issues. So in addition to making a really tasty product, they're also doing really great things. So I would definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.